Hey traders, Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, and this is the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 21st of August 2016. So we've got AJ on the daily here. This is just a quick overview from last week. So if you remember last week I did have this supply marked up and this one here. This was the only candle that we saw on the chart. None of these ones had appeared yet. So I was looking for price to trade down through this area. We have the supply, red candles only on the way down for a drop, green candles only coming back up, so the path looked clear, and there was an entry around here that was good to take for a short. Now price is down at this demand level, so it's worth watching this one to see whether we get a bounce or not. We don't quite have only red candles coming into the zone because we've got a bit of a doji which is slightly green there, but yeah, it'll be worth watching nonetheless. Now the other one, let's have a look at AU. This is from last week, so we have this supply level, we had price rally up, and we can see that price fell away from that area as well, and I believe that price could still fall further, but it's worth monitoring that one, as it hasn't made too much of a convincing move to the downside, but we've only got wicks to the upside at the moment, indicating quite a rejection from that level. So yeah, it might be worth watching this one still. Now let me just go over to dollar Swiss. That was the other pair that I was talking about last week. So yeah, you can see what happened there. This supply up here, bit of demand down here, and price was around here somewhere, I believe. So I mentioned that price was likely to continue to fall short. That's what I was looking for, and so we got short in the numbers area. So I posted what I was looking for both this and the other pairs, and yeah, I've posted those on the website so you can see the entries that we took, and then that happened. So that was a good week for those trades. Those are just some of the ones that we took. Right, now if I move on to what I'm looking for this week, some of the other ones. So I've already mentioned AU, still got that one on the radar, and other than that, I'm looking at EU, which doesn't happen very often. However, so we've got this supply up here, drop base drop. So we've got price coming back to that level. Once there, it's come back again a couple of times, and we're back at the level again. We've got green candles only coming up into the zone, which is what we ideally like to see for a profit potential. Price often has an easier time going down through these areas than when you've got lots of candles in the way, if indeed price does want to fall. Now this is an interesting area because price hasn't been able to close above the 114.40s for quite some time. So this is price action earlier this month. This is back in May. You can see price wasn't able to close higher. Price did poke above, but then closed below and hasn't been above since. This was April this year. Price up here, still in April, around March, April, couldn't close above there. Scrolling back through, price poked up, couldn't close higher. Here we've got price poked up and came lower, and it hasn't been able to get back up. And around here as well, so we're going back to May last year. So ever since this particular area was set, back in January, February last year, price hasn't been able to stay above that area. Okay, so we're either going to see this level hold again and price fall away, but it'll be interesting to see if price will break above. So we might see price break above, come back down for a test before rallying up. That's just one potential scenario. I'm not saying that will happen, but previously all we've seen is price rally above and then drop straight through again. So that's the kind of price action I guess we need to see to confirm that that level is no longer holding and that price may be making a move to the upside. Failing that, it will just be another drop away. So these are the main ones that I'm watching on the daily. So until next time, happy trading, guys.